Işıkları söndükten sonra önünüzdeki yolcuların iniş önceliğine riayet ediniz. Bu kurallara uyulmaması durumunda Sivil Havacılık Genel Müdürlüğü tarafından yürürlükte
Watch this. You said now my hands are a lot bigger.
Just not the chain, just grab the pin. When you feel nothing's holding it in place, pick a new spot, high or low. Let go, and then hold out your hand flat like a table. Let them between your fingers. So they say 1, 2, 3, go, and then both pieces can be immediately examined without ever adding or taking out.
So, put the curtain up for Nelly, and in case there's a stampede, we'll put the barrier up so Nelly can't escape. And now it's time to bring up the line bar. Ready? You can see Nelly in there. See Nelly?
Yeah.
3, 2. Nelly vanishes and runs all the way over to the peanut stand.
One card, for instance, the one card. It's not, I mean, I just offered you, but it's not forced, it will be free choice. So, cards shuffle on face up and face down, you can press the shuffle, right? Cards has face up and face down. Just like this. And I will try until the very last moment. Not yet. Not yet. Magic gesture. You can have it, you can shake on both sides, and even yourself you can try to do it. It's very difficult, it's impossible to do it, but you can have it and you can shake it a bit. I call it I hate fucking triumph.
It's a really cool.
So was your card red or black?
Black.
So we're going to make all the red cards vanish. Half the decks will disappear. What was the suit?
Clubs.
Clubs. We're going to make all the spades vanish. Half the remaining cards are going to go. And what was the value?
5.
5. So we're going to make ace, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king, vanish.
Where you carry it around when you fall. Just a basic thing to say. And we usually put double stick tape. Milk? Yes, mix. You finish mixing?
May I have your hand, sir? Please help me to hold the drum. Hold it with the hook and the point.
Okay.
voulez qu'il monte plus haut? Vous voulez? C'est bien d'encouragement? Encore. I say stop. Open is clean. Okay? Do you trust me? Okay, so are you ready? And are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Start. Shake. No, much more. Harder and shake and shake. Keep shake and stop.
终于演香槟，大家都出
The
来看。
cork doesn't explode, right? That's why it's because all the gas is in my hand right now. Watch. 1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa! Crazy.